Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well and subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. Guys, in this video I'll show you how you connect your Android Smart TV with your Wi-Fi. Guys, basically I am talking about Chinese Android Smart TV. Here you can see this is my Android Smart TV. So when you open your Chinese Android Smart TV, you will see this type of interface. So when you see this type of interface, go to the settings option with your Android Smart TV remote, or you can use your PC mouse. Then you may see this type of option. Go to the network with your remote or mouse. Now at the network section, you may see these three options. So the first one is for changing net mode, second one for internet cable connection, and last one for wireless connection. So at default setting, you may see wire net mode at net mode section, which is for wire network. Here you can see wire network is available but no connection. So to connect a smart TV with Wi-Fi, first change net mode. So I am changing my net mode to wireless. Here you can see when I change my net mode to wireless, wire net mode option is unavailable and wireless network option available. So now go to wireless network section, and here you can see available wireless network are showing. Friends, you can also create hotspot network with your Android Smart TV. Here you can see add hotspot option available. I have another video on this topic. You will find the video link in this video description. So now find your Wi-Fi network name and connect with Wi-Fi. For me, this is my Wi-Fi network. So when I connect to my Wi-Fi network, I need to provide my Wi-Fi password. Okay, now connect. And here you can see it's connected. Now let's see Wi-Fi connection successful or not. So I'm going to run my YouTube. Here you can see my YouTube is running.
Doc, I have to ask you to begin with a negative.
So in this way you can connect your Chinese Android Smart TV with your Wi-Fi. I hope you like this video. If you are, you can click the like button. If you have any comments, then please comment below. I will try my best to give your comments reply. Subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos of this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe at home. See you in the next video.